So this is how you can get the new Google Veo 3 video generation tool for free. The first thing you need to do is you want to come to Google and you just want to search for Veo 3. And you want to click on this first link from Google. So you click on the first link and you'll see an interface like this. So there are two ways you can do it. You can try it using Google Gemini, or you can try it using Google Flow. So this is what they basically promise us, a whole lot of things, and this is a very popular video from Google. But let's say we want to try it for Flow. So you want to click on trying Flow, and Google will take you to their this is their website, labs.google.flow, blah blah blah. So you want to create in Flow. So it requires a subscription, but you would get a free 1 month to try this tool out and see if you like it. Of course, you should like it, but you just want to use that 1 month to understand how the tool works or how you can use it. So what you want to do now is just to say create with Flow, and you want to go to where you put your card information and register on Google. So you need to obviously have a Google email attached to it. So I already have a Google email, so you can check all this if you wanted, but I don't want to receive all of that. I don't want to receive their marketing emails and all of that. So you can just click on next. You want to review their policy, and you can just click on continue. You can read that if you wanted, but as you can see, it says you must be a Google AI subscriber to generate. So you want to come here, click on subscribe. So this is where they are going to give you 1 month. As you can see, you can get it for 1 month for free. And this is one way to get it for free. There's another way to also get it for free, but I'm going to talk about that in my next video. So make sure to subscribe to the channel. But here we just want to say get AI Pro. So I'm going to use my GT Bank card here, because these cards, these banks, they now say they can pay in Naira, they can pay in dollars. So you need to come here, add a card, or you can pay on your phone. I'm just going to pay here. So this is the email account. So you come here, you say you want to add your card, and this is where you add your card. So I'm going to add a card and we can proceed. So I've added all the information they require, and I'm currently trying my GT Bank card, because currently, as at when I'm making this video, a lot of banks in Nigeria, they've started processing dollar payments. All right, so I'm trying my GT Bank to see if it works. If your bank doesn't work, that means you would need to have a virtual dollar card. But again, as at when I'm making this video, most cards, they basically work online now, so you don't need all of that. So I'm just going to say save and continue. So let's give it some time. So now we've gotten access inside a Google AI Pro, and this is as you can see, starting today when I'm making this video, I'm going to get a free 1 month trial, and September 3rd, which makes it 1 month as to when I created this account, I'll be charged 28,500 Naira per month. So if you do not want to pay this, if you do not want to continue with this subscription, this is what you can do. You can cancel it at any time from your Google Play. All right, so you can go to that very email, go to the Google Play service and cancel it. If you don't cancel it, they will charge you. All right, so make sure you cancel it before it ends if you do not want to continue. But if you want to continue, you just need to fund your account and they will charge you. So as you can see, it says you won't be charged if you cancel before September 3rd. So pay attention to that. And they will send you a 7 days reminder before your trial ends. So I'm just going to say subscribe, and we should get access for completely free. So this is basically how you can get into the Google. As you can see, we are now subscribed. This is how you can get access into the Google Veo 3 or the Google AI Pro Studio, where you can access the Veo 3 and create trending all these trending AI videos. So now I can basically click on, you see what we are going to get. So we get pro access to filmmaking. We get 1,000 credits monthly. All right, so we can use it on Flow and Whisk, and this these are the things also included: the notebook, the Gemini Pro, the Wix Pro, the Gemini in Gmail, and the storage of 2 terabytes for Google Photos, blah, 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 blah. So you can just click on go to flow, and now we have access to the Google Veo tree. So if you wanted to create a project, you can just come here, click on create project, and you can just give it what you want it to do, and you can start. As you can see, the video here is Veo tree, so you can start creating your video. So you can use text to video, you can use frames to video, and all of that. So I'm going to make another video where we actually use this to create videos. So subscribe to this YouTube channel, and if this video helped you, please like the video. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. My name is Goodnoel. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.